Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to my video and my channel. Just going to be working on a key fob here, trying to change the battery in it. It's pretty easy to do. A coworker of mine was asking about it and thought, can I go to the dealership? It's like, don't go to the dealership. I think we can help you. So basically on this one, on this Nissan fob, there's a key in it. And I think we want to take that out just so that we don't... It's the emergency key in case you can't get into your vehicle with this working fob. Maybe your big battery's gone dead in the vehicle, so you just flip that little lever and the key comes out. Pretty easy. This one, we just want to basically separate the two halves. And I tried a couple different ways and it seemed to want to pop back, but here I'm going to just use, I've got a pretty strong fingernail. And I found I can separate them or start separating them, but it just wants to kind of click back together. So I found the easiest way was just to spread it apart a little bit, and then once I get my baby screwdriver in there, instead of trying to pry, which I did here, trying to twist the screwdriver, that didn't work. But I found if I slid it along in here, look at that. Just gently pry it a little bit. You don't want to be really rough with it. It should just come apart. And that was that easy to do. I know I see the battery fell out. I don't know if it was actually installed there the right way or not. It should just be stuck in there, and you just want to kind of gently pry it out. And there it is. And I thought, oh, I'll show you what it looks like. And I see this isn't the right battery. That is not the right number. It did work in there, but I think it's a little bit too thin. Maybe it worked sometimes, maybe it didn't. But we'll show you what the right battery is. Easy to get a hold of. They're 2032s. Most of these key fobs use that. So set this aside. Actually, what I noticed in here is it actually tells you what battery. Usually they do too. See right here, it says the CR2032. And they even show you which way it sits and how it goes in there. So if you take your battery and you look, one side has the plus, one side has the negative. Well, the negative side doesn't say. The plus side does. So this one says the negative is to face up. That's what that picture means. So we're going to do that. We know this side's positive, so flip her over. And we'll show the negative side. Or minus side, maybe they'll say it that way. And it should just pop in. What you want to do is put the battery in and go against this connection, this metal tab there. Put that part in first and then push the other side down. And it should just stay in there like that. If it falls out, try again. And then just slowly put it back together. Put the two halves together and just start squeezing. I started squeezing from the bottom here, along one edge and then along the other edge. And it went together really nice. It's actually a very nice key fob compared to some of the ones I've seen. Nice buttons as well. Put your key back in so you don't forget. And make sure it locks in there. Double check it just to make sure it's hanging on. You don't want to lose that. And there you go. I'll put a link in the description below for the batteries. Try and find you a cheap bunch of them. A lot of times they come in like a pack of 4 or 6 or 8. And they'll be like not much more money than one. There you go. That's going to do it for the video. Pretty easy to do without having to take it to the dealer. And, sometimes you have to take it to a repair shop and get things done. But in this case, all you needed was, basically you could do it with your fingernails on the battery or a small little screwdriver and pop the thing open, replace the battery, and you're good. Instead of, paying for that service. There's other things that you won't be able to fix that, you're going to have to pay for. But that's okay. If you like the video, can you give me a thumbs up? It'll help YouTube know I'm doing a good job, and hopefully you enjoyed the video and it saved you a couple bucks. Also, subscribe, please, if you don't mind. Down in the corner, I'll have some more videos coming out, hopefully on this vehicle soon. Plus, there's a whole bunch of other videos on different makes and models. Sometimes the repairs are very similar and the problems are similar, and you can kind of figure that out just by watching them. Talking about our Nissan here, we will put, see this big blue circle? The flashing yellow arrow will bring you to the top, to a card there, and that'll bring you to this exact vehicle that we were working on here. I believe it's a Nissan Altima. put it right. Yeah, you see what it is now. And that way we can, have more videos more specific to your vehicle. Until next time, I'm Uncle Mark saying thanks for watching for a few minutes here. Until next time, bye-bye for now. Please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. It is stuck in here. Never get it out. Well, not worth anything anyway. I'll try and put a link up again in that plate. Nah,
definitely an eye catcher.
Also, talking about vehicles and this Nissan, the big blue circle there, you see the flashing yellow arrow pointing to the top. There's a card there you can click on. This was on a Sentra, I believe, Maxima? Ultima. I think it's an Ultima. It's a buddy of mine's car.
Cleaned the block, we bored it out, my cousin did.
So what is this?
It's a flathead out of a 49 Ford half-ton.
Yeah, wow.
But we bored it like 120 thousandths, stroked it.
It's been running pretty good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, I see you guys on the road all the time with it, so it must.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I've driven it down to.
That's quite the little.
Like, the original one was broken. The tip was broken.
Oh yeah.
So my cousin made that. I bought the plastic on eBay, and my cousin put it in his lathe. And
So that's what it's supposed to look like?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, you can just get them different colors.
Yeah. Oh.